visual.
Okay. Say loft.
Loft.
Now say loft, but instead of say s.
Loss.
Close.
Lost.
There you go. Say limp.
Limp.
Now say limp, but instead of say s.
List.
Well, I wish you would use these. They do help. Say limp.
Lisp.
Say,
Lisp.
yes, lisp. So if I say limp
I know.
and
I
change
just can't remember the
to
last letter.
change to slip. That's why this helps.
It doesn't matter.
Use it as a visual.
I know there's a letter there. I just can't remember what. I can't figure out what it is.
Say sips.
Sips.
Now say sips, but instead of p, say k.
6.
See, it helps.
No.
Say lift.
Lift.
Now say lift, but instead of say k.
Lick.
Close.
Licked.
Licked. You always forget that last sound.
I don't like the last sound.
Say rent.
Rent.
Now say rent, but instead of say k.
Wrecked.
Nice. Say rust.
Rust.
Now say rust, but instead of s, say sh.
Rushed.
Say rift.
Rift.
Now say rift, but instead of say p.
Ripped.
Say paint.
Paint.
Now say paint, but instead of say s.
What?
Yeah, are you trying to cheat over here
No.
and look at my words?
I look over here and left.
Oh, okay.
I can't read that far.
All right.
I
Say-
laughed when you covered it up, though.
I know, I thought you were peeking. All right, say paint.
Paint.
Now say paint, but instead of say s.
Paste.
Say tricks.
Tricks.
Now say tricks, but instead of k, say p.
Trips.
Say taint.
Taint.
Now say taint, but instead of say s.
Taste.
Nice job. All right, so you got way more of them correct within the 2 seconds when you were actually looking at these. They help.
Oh, I never looked at that many times.
You did too. I saw you looking at them. All right, our next thing is the sounds. All right. Tell me. Oh. There.
A. A.
I wish they wouldn't put them all in order.
A.
3 sounds.
A.
Oh, you know what? I have to look this one up because I was surprised it had 3 sounds. I don't know that. Look on your chart. See if we have them listed. So O is 1. I don't think it says A though.
I just chose one.
I know you did. I probably should have had this open. All right,
There's
so
more.
yeah, I was surprised about this actually.
I don't think
O.
they're on here though. You don't have them on here.
Oh, they listed O twice. That's why it has 2 sounds. O and ow.
It's not on now.
I see that. We'll have to look up. I wonder if that's a typo in here because I didn't think it had more than 1 sound. Oh, and ow. I'll look that one up. I'm going to make a note to myself. All right, let's move on.
Oh. Ow.
Ow and
Ooh.
Ooh. Oh, you're cheating now.
No, I wasn't.
Okay.
I was just showing it to you as proof.
Thank you.
I.
Oops.
E. A.
One more.
Eh.
Good.
Ooh.
Uh-huh.
Ow.
Ooh.
Oh.
Or are you just saying sounds?
There's a bunch of O's. What
Okay,
else
so we
am I
got
supposed to-
oh. We got ooh, like spoon.
Ooh.
What
Ugh.
picture is this?
Ugh.
Book. Ugh.
Ugh.
Like book. So that second sound is
I wasn't
ugh.
getting there.
Like book. It's been a while since we did that one. So the two sounds for oh are ooh and ugh. I gotta look up OA again though, because I don't know that I agree with this. I don't know why they're saying OA has two sounds and that ow is one of them. I'll have to look that up though, because I'm not sure. I can't think of a word that it would do that. All right, now we have our blending where I write. Okay.
Pause.
Mm-hmm.
Pause.
Move that over.
Case. Cane. Can. And. Fan. I'm faster than you.
I see that. Well, it's written upside down.
Fawn.
Mm-hmm.
Yawn. Dawn. Drawn.
Nice.
It's an easy word. Drain.
Mm-hmm. I'm just impressed with how quick you're getting them.
Rain.
Mm-hmm.
I have to read fast. These are easy words.
Yep.
You bring in the hard words. I got them.
Oh, they're coming.
Man.
It's just being flexible with
Rat.
words.
Rate?
Mm-hmm.
Is that a real word?
Yeah.
I don't think so, but
Exactly.
race.
It's being flexible with words and being able to change the vowel sounds. All right, so now, let the dog out. She's never happy.
Now she's gonna start wanting to come back in.
She probably will. All right, you can head for your story later. Okay, so now we're doing your review words. These are all words that you've practiced before. This is the suffix able. So you're gonna read them 3 times, and on the 3rd time I'll score ya.
Unforgivable. Inevitable.
Mm-hmm.
Incapable. Despicable. Gullible. Audible. Audible.
Close.
Auditable.
So your syllables here. What's the first syllable?
Odd.
Odd.
Able.
Able.
Audible. There.
Yep. Do you know what that means?
Yeah.
Audible. You can hear it.
I was just doing too much.
Yep.
I seen the I and I started making sounds for the I in there.
You were adding it. Yeah, an extra syllable. Okay.
Inflammable.
What did you say?
Inflammable.
Yes.
Unbearable. Unmistakable. Inevitable.
Let's do that one again.
Inedible.
There you go.
Unshakable. Unsuitable. Unpredictable. Plausible.
Yeah.
Inescapable.
Yep.
Creditable.
Say that one again.
Creditable. Credible.
Credible. So we have.
Legal.
Hang on, let's look at it. So here's your first syllable.
Credible.
Able. There you go. Okay, do that one again. That's a hard one.
Legal. No.
Okay.
Legal.
Okay, so you see your able.
Illegible.
Yeah. So there's your ill. You were getting that. What is the word?
Illegible. Illegible.
When illegible.
Why'd you put it there to make a leg? Word leg there.
Do you know why the G makes the J sound?
Yeah.
Because of that I after it. All right.
Illegible.
Illegible. Next.
Irresistible. Resistible.
What?
Irresistible.
Okay, now how do you think you pronounce it?
No clue.
Irresistible.
Irresistible. There.
So that means you're not resistible.
It just wasn't coming today.
Mm-hmm.
I understand. Unforgivable. Unfeasible.
All right. Back to the
Oh, I said
top.
the wrong line for that one. You didn't even notice.
Which one? What did you say?
Unforgivable.
Oh, did you? No, I didn't.
I was like, wait a second, I already said that. Unforgettable.
I just realized.
Unforgettable. Inevitable. Incapable.
Wait, no. Now, what's that one?
Unforgivable.
Is that what you just said?
Yes.
Oh, gosh. My brain is mixing things up today. All right.
Inevitable. Incapable. Despicable. Gullible. Audible.
Good.
Inflammable. Unbearable. Unmistakable. Inedible.
Mm-hmm.
Unshakable. Unsuitable. Unpredictable. Plausible. Inescapable. Credible. Illegible. Irresistible. Unforgettable. Unfeasible.
Okay, last time.
Unforgivable. Inevitable. Incapable. Despicable. Gullible. Audible.
Good.
Inflammable. Unbearable. Unmistakable. Inedible. Unshakable. Unsuitable. Unpredictable. Plausible. Inescapable. Credible. Illegible. Irresistible. Unforgettable. Unfeasible.
Good. Let's take a look at the one. Tricked you up every
Audible.
time. Yeah. So I want to show you.
I'm thinking audio.
So you're thinking the base word audio, and then it would have another a bull after it.
Yeah. But the I there is throwing me off.
Yep. So odd a bull.
It's that I that makes me want to add the extra.
Yeah, the E. All right. Sight words are usually easy for you. Go ahead and read them.
Thorough. Temperature. Weather. Material. Special. Government. Machine. Instruments. Exercise. Scientist.
All right. I'm just going to have you do those once because.
Guess. I guess a lot of things.
Well, you're. Oh, yeah, the word. So we did our lesson the other day, and part of the spelling test, we had two words that we hadn't really checked because you knew how to read them, so I hadn't checked the spelling, and this one was hard for you to spell. So, our sight word is guess. Means to estimate or suppose something without sufficient
At the
information.
spelling of guess.
You guessed at the spelling of guess, yes. Or she guessed the child's age. All right. What are the sounds in guess? How many sounds are there? What are the sounds?
Guess.
G.
Oh, yeah, sounds like it.
Tell me the sounds in guess.
G.
G.
S.
Good. Guess. G. S. how are they spelling the G sound?
G.
They're actually spelling it G-U.
Yeah, that's why I don't get
And the
it.
double S. All right. Now I looked up because I was curious. Why is there a U? Because you're starting to ask really good questions, and there is actually a reason.
Oh, really?
There is. I was very
I
impressed.
thought there was going to be no reason just because English wants to be confusing.
So, usually, if we have a G, if it has an E after it, like gem, if it has a Y after it, like Jim, or if it has an I after it, like gin, usually that G is going to make the J sound. This word, if we were going to spell guess the way it is, G, S, it has this E after it, which would make it say Jess. So the U's job is to protect that G so it stays the hard sound G. Because without that U, it has to change to the J sound. So I thought that was pretty cool. So, how do you spell guess?
G-U-E-S-S. Yes.
All right, 3 times.
G-U-E-S-S. Yes. G-U-E-S-S. Yes. G-U-E-S-S. Yes. G-U-E-S-S. Yes.
Nice. All right. Our new skill today.
Oh,
All right.
the page.
Listen to these 3 words. What is similar about their prefixes? Oh, I forgot to write them on here. Uniform.
Uniform.
But we'll just listen.
Oh. Sorry.
Uniform,
I can't see directions.
bisect, triangle. What is similar about those prefixes? I'm going to write them on here. Yeah.
Try.
Good.
That is confusing.
Yeah, I wasn't sure if you'd get that.
Maybe I actually have to think about what those things mean.
That's triangle. All right. Yes, well, I knew you'd already know that stuff, so. All right. So what are the 3 prefixes in uniform, bisect, and trisect? Can you circle the prefixes?
No, underline. So that's what I want to do.
Ah, fine.
I don't like circling. It doesn't look as aesthetically pleasing.
There's so much difficulty. All right. So
Just who I am.
in una, the I is going to make the sound, that schwa, uniform. Bi, it makes the long I sound, bisect. Try, it makes the long I. I did not realize it can also make the short I. It can also be it, like.
Trigonometry.
Does that mean 3? It can mean like triple. Means 3. Because that's the next question I'm going to ask you.
There's also trigonometry.
I'm wondering if that
that's the geometry of triangles.
Oh,
it's
why just triangles?
Trigonometry.
Really? I did not know that. Then it would make sense that it's tri.
Well, I just made that up.
Really?
You probably should look it up. It's probably going to be the exact same thing, but I made that thing completely up. Trigonometry about triangles.
Your dad has taught you the art of BS.
Hey, if it sounds close, it's good enough.
I'll just say it confidently.
Yeah.
All right. So, these are your prefixes.
I need to let you know so I don't lead you astray.
Thank you.
In
All
this
right.
world.
What do these prefixes mean?
1, 2, 3.
Good. All right, so we're going to practice them with the word cycle. Write it on the line with the first prefix. And what is the word?
Unicycle.
What does it mean?
One-wheel cycle.
Yeah, a one-wheeled bike.
Bicycle.
What does that mean?
Two-wheeled bike.
Mm-hmm.
Tricycle. Three-wheeled bike.
And how would you pronounce it?
Tricycle.
Thank you.
Tricycle.
All right.
What about a four-wheeled bike?
Oh, what do you think the word for four is? The prefix. There is one.
Forcicle.
So a triangle is a shape with three sides. What is a shape with four sides?
So I think it's got a lot of letters.
The prefix is only 4 letters.
Oh, yeah.
So
Start with a P?
well, you're thinking parallelogram probably.
Yeah, that's got
So-
4 sides.
There's a lot of shapes that have 4 sides. There's parallelogram, there is a rectangle, square, rhombus, trapezoid. They all
Yeah.
have 4 sides. They're all contained under one category of shapes that starts with this prefix. I bet when I write it, you might know the category of shapes.
Quadratic function.
So quad means 4 and quadrilaterals.
Quadrilaterals, yeah, I don't know what those are.
Any shape that has 4 sides.
I'm in advanced math, don't know what quadratic. I know what a quadratic formula is.
Yeah, I wonder if it has to do with 4.
Probably for shapes with 4 sides. That's actually is probably the thing.
is.
Because that's how they like to do formulas. Make them go to,
All right.
just like trigonometry is about shapes with 3 sides.
All right, let's move on. Words that have these 3 prefixes in them. So,
Universal, triangular, biangle,
okay, hang on.
triangular.
Hang on. I'm going to stop you. We're not reading these fast. Start here.
Universal, triangular.
Okay, now think about how would we pronounce that?
Triangular.
Triangular. Remember what other sound this AR can make?
I wanted to say R, okay?
Read it.
I thought I could just have my own voice.
Hey, read it.
Triangular.
Thank you.
What if it's
Okay,
biannual?
good.
Means twice a year or every 2 years,
That's right.
depending on how you think about it.
Okay, what's this one?
Triathlon.
Okay.
Bicentennial.
Yes.
I think I've seen that before.
I always forget what it...
Oh, I have no clue what it means.
Well, it means 2. I can't remember if it means
Centuries?
Twice a century or every 200 years.
Pretty sure that's how bi works. It could be either.
Yeah, I think it's every 200 years, but I get those
But
two
the
mixed
word
up.
is just it can be used for either.
Okay, what's this one?
Trilogy.
Remember-
Trilogy.
There's the other pronunciation with the short I. Trilogy.
How do you know when to do that?
Oh, that's a good question. When it
You
doesn't
just go
sound
for it.
right. I'm
When it
not.
doesn't sound right.
I'm not sure. That's a
Okay.
good question.
The English language, full of confusion.
Oh, you're gonna love it. I looked up all sorts of stuff on why we spell things with different ways, and the answers are way complicated.
Huh.
There's reasons, though. All right, next word.
But English just seems to be complicated for no reason.
Yep. Next word.
Bi-monthly.
Okay.
Triplet. Binary.
Binary.
Bilingual. I know what it says. I just can't
Okay.
pronounce.
What does it mean?
Multiple languages.
Multiple languages. The way we pronounce it is bilingual.
bilingual.
Wool.
It's a
Yeah.
tongue twister. A lot of these are. Like,
Yep.
I just can't pronounce. Unify.
Mm-hmm.
Trigraph.
I didn't even not know. I did not even know that word was a word.
What's a trigraph? Is it three graphs?
Something with three. We'll have to
Three
look it up.
graphs?
Okay, what's this one?
Trifecta.
Yeah.
Trifecta effect.
Okay. Stop playing with that.
Bisect.
What's your ending?
Bisect.
There you go.
Triangulate. Triangulate.
There you go. Triangulate. All right. We're going to do those 2 more times. Not for speed, but for accuracy.
Oh.
So go ahead.
Universal. Triangular.
How do we pronounce it?
Triangular. I said that.
Good.
Biannual. Triathlon. Bicentennial.
Mm-hmm.
Trilogy. Bi-monthly. Triplet. Binary. Bilingual. Bilingual. Bilingual.
Bilingual.
Whoa.
So it kind of has that w sound. Bilingual.
Whoa. Unify. Trigraph. Trifecta. Bisect. Triangulate.
Good.
Universal. Triangular. Biannual. Triathlon. Bicentennial. Trilogy. Bi-monthly. Triplet. Binary. Bilingual. Unify. Trigraph. Trifecta. Bisect. Triangulate.
Nice. You still got the 2. Instead of triangular, how do we pronounce it? So now read it.
Triangular.
Triangular. And the other one was.
Bilingual. I said global.
You said bilingual.
Isn't that what you told me to say?
Bilingual.
Bilingual.
No, you. Pretend that that's not there. I don't know why. All right. Moving on. What are you doing? I don't think she needs to join you.
She was getting close to being right back.
All right. Read the sentences.
Rosie, Angie, and Camila are triplets that were adopted from Colombia. At some jobs, you need to wear a uniform and get your schedule bi-weekly. If you can speak 2 languages, you are considered bilingual.
How do we pronounce it?
Bilingual.
Where is it?
Bilingual.
There you go. Bilingual. Pretend that you's not there. All right. Would you focus? Come over here.
I'm working my way over.
Put your phone down.
Checking something else that I forget.
You don't need to do snaps right now.
Why not?
Come on. We're
Where's the
videotaping. Get back over here, please.
There's a picture of it at the doorstep.
Of what?
Package.
Just focus. My goodness. Story. Read it.
Macy, Stacy, and Tracy are triplets. They do everything together. Each morning they wake up and put on matching uniforms. Then they get on their bicycles and ride to school. At school, they take all the same classes. Their first class is French. The triplets are bilingual
Good.
because they already speak English and Spanish. Once they learn French, they will be trilingual.
Good.
Their next class is math. In math class, they learn all about different kinds of triangles. Then in music class, they practice a new song. They always sing in unison at the bi-weekly show.
Do you think that's twice a week or every 2 weeks?
Oh,
I don't know either.
probably every 2 weeks, because who does a show twice a week?
True. I think it is every 2. All right.
After lunch, they go to reading class. This is the triplets' favorite class. Their teacher is reading the last book in a new trilogy to them. They cannot wait to learn how the story ends. At the end of the day, the triplets get back on their bicycles and ride home together. They are an unbreakable trio.
Nice. Oh, trio. That's a word I didn't even think of. All right, your favorite part, spelling. And you might need your sounds today. The lesson today is bringing back sounds that you haven't done for a while. All right. 7 ways to spell A. Yeah. Bree, get off of there.
But it's comfy.
All right, you got 3 of them. Keep going. Nope, not AE.
I always try it.
So here, put a line under the
What?
AY.
Oh, I got the 3.
Yeah, put a line here though. Those are the 3 that are
How many did you tell me to write? Did
7.
You told me 5.
7. Draw a line. So those are the 3 that are most
Yeah,
common.
now I'm confused.
Now it's the hard ones.
EI.
Mm-hmm.
EIGH.
Mm-hmm.
AIGH.
Yep.
OIGH.
No, you can't just.
There's a few that go like that.
This one is EIGH like 8. AIGH like straight. So that's 6. Which one are we missing?
EA. Oh, I was so close.
Yay. There's also EY. That's not very common though, like in they.
You have EI on the twice.
All right. 5 ways to spell E.
There's actually 8 different ways.
Yeah,
You
I
said
see that.
7.
5 ways to spell E.
E.
Mhm.
E.
Mhm.
E.
Yeah, like monkey.
E.
Yes. This is the one you always forget.
There's one more.
Yeah. No, not EI. Think of the word tree. Oh, you got it. That's the one that you always forget. All right.
No, I always try EI is the problem.
Yeah, EI is not one of them.
I think that it can be one.
All right. EI, if like in the word wait, it would say A. All right. 3 ways to spell I.
I.
Mm-hmm.
I.
Mm-hmm.
There's another.
IA is not a spelling.
I.
Oh,
Is
which
it
one
on
are we
here?
missing?
Oh.
Where's our I?
Yeah, that one.
Oh, the Y. Yeah,
Yeah.
at the end, like
I
my,
should know that
tie.
one. But it's really easy to forget. You look at
Yes.
all the others and their eyes and then.
Seems too simple.
Yes.
5 ways to spell O.
O.
Mm-hmm.
O. No. O.
OA,
OA.
yeah.
I don't know why I did AO. I can't see it. Oh.
W. Did you have to look for that one?
I glanced and seen it.
Yeah.
That's why I like oh.
OW, like in Mo. Let's see, what are we missing?
UGH?
Yeah. Like in though.
OU?
No.
Wow.
Which one are... Oh, I know which one you're missing. Think of the word toe. How do you spell toe?
Oh, wait.
Like the toe on your foot.
Oh, wait.
O-E.
OE.
Toe spells
That's
toe.
how you spell toe?
Yes, that's how you spell toe.
Wow. That's
All right. 2 ways to spell oi. These should be a little easier.
Oi.
Oi. That's one. Good. 2 ways to spell ooh.
Ooh.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Ooh.
You can spell ooh with a U, yep.
What did you say two?
There's more than 2. I don't know why it just says 2.
I'm doing two because that's what you said.
Yeah, 2 ways to spell ooh. So we can also do E-W-U-I. But yeah, you got 2. I'll give it to you.
Easy two.
2 ways to spell ow.
Ow.
Mm-hmm.
Ow.
Nope, that one says oi.
Ow.
What letters are those?
Not the right ones, probably.
They might be. I just. Oh.
U.
Yep, that's right.
Oh, that is?
That is.
O-U-G-H?
They're just 2.
Oh. Okay. That's
Oh.
just not fun.
Ow is. Oh, which
I
one
was
is
thinking,
ow?
my bad.
Which one is ow? I can never find them on here. Ow. Yep. O-W, like owl, and O-U.
We're done.
With that, you can erase.
Yay.
Now we're going to spell words.
Oh, that's so much better than these, though. Words at least have some rhyme and reason.
That's true.
These are just memorized.
But it helps to know all those because then when you're writing a word, you don't have to try 5 different vowel spellings.
I still do because there's 5 different ways to spell the word. There's
All right.
5 different ways to say the sound. So
First word. So this is with our new skill. Unison. No, do nice handwriting. Unison. That's an interesting choice.
Sin.
Sin. Okay.
That is a way to spell sin.
That is a way to spell sin. You're right. We're going to use,
Unisign?
it's going to be an O for unison.
How does that make any sense?
Unison.
Oh, son.
Son.
I was thinking sin.
Well, we
Unison.
say it unison, but you got the uni part.
Yeah, the easy part.
So this is more like a schwa.
Schwa.
Yeah.
I don't even know what that is, but
The
okay.
schwa is right here. It's when the vowel makes the sound. Unison. We did that in one of our lessons.
Do you think I remember things?
All right, next
I have
word.
this and school going on. My brain puts in stuff and then kicks it out the next door.
Tripod.
Gotta keep room. Tripod.
Good. Bi-weekly.
Bi-weekly.
Universe.
Universe.
Good. Triple.
Triple.
There you go. All right. Now these are your tricky ones from before. And I had a little video I was going to show you. I should have brought it up ahead of time because now I got to find it. So I looked up, you asked a good question last time. How do we know when we're going to use IBLE and ABLE?
Oh, there's an actual video that does
There,
it.
I found a whole bunch of videos, yes.
Oh, wow.
So here's links.
Oh, wow.
So I found.
That's more links than I have for a whole research paper.
All right, so this one, I don't even know if the volume's on here. No. All right, so this is from a lady in the UK,
Oh.
but it's got a nice little video. So here.
Can she turn to American accent?
Hi there, this is Joanne, and in this lesson we're looking at the UBU endings.
UBU.
That's IBLE and ABLE. They're both common spelling patterns for adjectives and usually sound the same. They mean able to or fit for, as in acceptable, understandable, responsible. And these following words mean able to be: available, available to be used or obtained; audible, able to be heard; breakable, able to be broken; visible, able to be seen. So when do we use IBLE and when do we use ABLE endings? So is it understandable, terrible, dependable? Knowing which of these suffix endings to use can be tricky, really tricky. There are no hard and fast rules with these. You've just got to learn them, I'm afraid, and practice them. Let's go deeper into these endings. There are more words ending in ABLE, about 900, than IBLE, less than 200. Let's look at the ABLE words. They usually come from French. We can make new words with this ending. Networkable, childproofable. So a general rule is if we take away the able ending, we're usually left with a root word. For example, understandable equals understand plus able. Enjoyable, enjoy plus able. Comfortable equals comfort plus able. Dependable. But like all spelling rules, there are always exceptions. If the root word ends in E, then we usually drop the E. Value plus able, valuable. Desirable, movable, believable, excitable. But, words that keep the E are saleable, hireable, sizable, nameable. The best way to remember these is to memorize them.
Good luck.
But, drop the E or keep the E. Both of these are correct in these words.
You can do it either
with
way.
An E, without an E. Lovable, E, no E. Usable, E, no E. No E.
I did not
Y
know
becomes
that.
I when adding ABLE. Justify, change the Y to I. Justifiable. Rely, reliable. We can also apply the 1-1-1 doubling up rule when adding able to words like forget. The second syllable is stressed and it has one vowel and one syllable, so we double up the T. Forgettable. And regrettable.
Live skit. Making
Check
fun
out
of
my
English
other video on the
language.
doubling up as
That
well
is.
one rule.
Wow.
Also, we usually keep the E with words ending in CE and GE, so the words retain the soft C and G sound. Changeable, manageable, noticeable, pronounceable, serviceable, traceable, knowledgeable. If the main part of the word ends with a hard C, as in cab, can, or hard G, game, then the ending is always ABLE. For example, despicable, applicable, impeccable, amicable, navigable.
All right,
Let's
I think I'll pause
look
it
at
there.
The IBLE
We'll
words.
pause. You get the gist that there's no good, easy
You
way.
just told me that.
Well, I found this interesting. I thought it was interesting to.
She's just making fun of the English language. Yeah, there's this, but there's always exceptions.
To every rule.
It's just this, or it can be spelled either way. It doesn't
All
really
right.
matter here.
So,
You can spell it either.
so here you go. Good luck.
But there's going to be only one way that Sather accepts.
Probably. All right. Your first word, forgivable.
Oh, I need the
You have to
marker.
write them.
I was just going to say it. Forgivable.
Good. You remembered to drop the E.
What if I kept
Horrible.
the
Horrible.
whore?
Nice. Does it look right? Now try it with an I. No, like instead of the
Oh.
ibble. Try it with an I. Which one looks better?
The other one, but this is probably the right one.
This is the right one. edible. You got it.
Oh, I did it. I didn't even know.
Lucky guess.
I was gonna put the ball after that.
Oh, well, you have it.
I know. I went. I looked. I'm
Edible.
like, oh, I already do have the ball.
You do.
I didn't even know. I was gonna go edible. A ball.
Dependable.
Dependable. Sorry, I
Yep.
connected my letters a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
I try not to. It's just easiest just not to pick up the pen.
Uncomfortable.
Uncomfortable.
You got everything except.
Ibble.
No, your Ibble's right.
Able.
Hang on, I'm writing down what you said. Uncomfort. So, what are other ways to spell What does uncomfortable? What's the base word? What's the base word?
Comfort.
Comfort. So, yep, OR is the spelling for that.
Yeah.
All right. Now, your sight words. Ooh, I was going to make you do this in colors. If we get stuck on one, we will. All right.
Those erase.
Not on there, on paper.
Oh.
On paper.
I was worried for a second.
All right. The first one, weather. I don't know whether or not to come. Mm-hmm. Temperature. Nice.
Oh, did I actually write? I just guessed.
Yep, this is the middle syllable you usually miss. Temperature. You got it.
Oh.
It's your tricky one. Instrument. Hang on. I want you to start over. Instrument.
Instrument.
Good. The first time you forgot the S altogether.
I was doing interment.
I know.
Intermittent wipers.
Okay.
So I was right there.
You are so close. Okay.
Right.
Do you remember which syllable's hard? We have instrument. How do we pronounce the middle syllable? Don't write on it with that. Don't write on it with that.
Why not?
You use this.
It's
How do-
the same thing.
How do we pronounce the middle syllable?
Ooh.
First spelling, strew. So I want you to trace the STRU in red. Trace the letters.
Oh.
Yes. S T. I want to see if having that part a different color helps. Just that. So when you say instrument, when you say it in your head to try and spell it, what helps?
Instrument.
Instrument. Right? Instrument.
I just forget to say instrument.
Mm-hmm.
I get it when I say it, I just forget it. Why you erase the whole thing?
Because I want you to try it again.
Instrument.
There you go.
Erase that because I did that backwards.
No, you didn't.
I know.
You had it right the first
I'm
time.
just messing with you. Testing you.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta be tested.
Next word. Special. I'm not sure what you wrote there. I see
Cow.
C-A-L. You're very close. So here, I'm going gonna write it here for you. Special. So special is only 2 syllables.
No.
There's 1 letter.
Oh, wait. Oh.
So special, this I and the C kind of go together to make that sh sound. Special. So I always think special. That's what I say in my mouth.
Special.
Special. All right. Try it again. Special.
Yes.
C, I go together. There you go. All right. Guess. I can't guess your answer. Good. All right. Your last part is 3 sentences.
2?
3. They're all short, though.
Good.
The choir sang in unison.
Oh, not even.
I'm not sure why you started with the G. The choir.
There's no G in this whole sentence.
No. Choir. Remember, okay, go ahead and finish. Sang in unison. What goes at the end? No, you're right. What goes at the end of your sentence? Okay, so let's look at choir.
That looks right to me.
Well, you rolled over it so many times.
I know.
Now, hang on, before you go.
There's a C.
There's another spelling for the k, like in choir.
C.
What about like chemistry?
H.
Yeah, this word starts with CH. And it's CHO. IR. There you go. The choir sing in unison. All right. Are you ready? A triangle has 3 sides. Thank you. Okay, last one. If I bisect something, I cut it in 2 parts.
Oh my gosh.
It's a longer one.
I'm not even close to what I'm trying to write.
If I bisect, slow down, you're going too fast. If I bisect something, I cut it in 2 parts. All right, thank you. All right, your favorite part. What is one thing you learned today? Hey, sit down. You're not going anywhere yet.
Telling you.
Okay. What's one thing one new thing you learned today?
English is stupid.
Why?
There's no reason for things. It's just the way it is, because it is.
Why?
I don't know.
It makes
that video told me.
it makes
Video
spelling
said,
hard.
It's just the way it is, pretty much just because. You just gotta learn.
Well, there's actually sit down. You're not done.
What?
Relax.
Yeah.
So English comes from so many different languages. They kind of all melted together into English, and that's why the spellings are also all over the place. You did a very nice job today. You very nice. Yep. We got to still work on those syllables. Make sure you're splitting them into syllables for your sight words. What? You're sneaking out on me. All right. Goodbye. Thank you.
How about hit the door?